Hey guys, I just wanted to ask you guys what you guys thought. We're gonna get to the Ghia that I found in Virginia in just 1 second. In the meantime, I just want to ask you, we got this 67 Bug. Yeah, I know it has the oval window clip. If you've never seen it before, it was welded in. But this guy's got an 11-second Beetle also. So he's got this 1776 in here. I have not tried to get it started yet. It's full of, yeah, mouse nests. There's one back there, so we'll get to that in the spring. But as you may or may not know, the 70 Ghia convertible does not have an engine. I was going to use the engine out of the Ghia that Musty bought, but I was thinking about that 1776. The other question is, what are we doing with this pretty rust-free 67 body? It's pretty solid. I mean, it really is. So the question is, do we put this body on that? Because this car is really, I mean, yeah, I'm not even going to try to open this door, because unless you have the strength of VW nut, you won't close it. That I don't. So it's pretty crispily toasty. So what do you guys think? As I get better with the welder, I was thinking of putting that clip, both front and rear clips, on this and turning it back into a 67. The other ironic thing is my first car was a 67 with a 1776 in it, so you know, I got that tinkering in my brain. So let me know what you guys think on that. I'm waiting for this rain to stop. I pulled the oval window out and get this into the driveway so I can get the 211 and the grinder on that thing and get rolling on that. Dubworks gave me some inspiration to get rolling on this. Thanks, Dub. All right, well, let's get to the 1970 Karmann Ghia convertible that I picked up in Virginia down in Stoughton. So let's get to that clip. Check it out. Yeah. Oh, up there?
Yeah, up there.
Okay.
Get stuck down here.
Get stuck.
Hang it right there. There you go.
Now, how long has that car been sitting there, Russ?
We'll have to check the license plate.
I think it was like late 80s.
Yeah.
Tucked away in the back.
Maybe just swing around that way.
I'll just leave it here for right now. Just go look at the car. Very cool. $1987.
Yeah, that's when I drove it last.
That's when you drove it last?
And then I had to pull the engine out of it after that because I sold the yellow color.
1970 Karmann Ghia convertible. 1957 Triumph Tiger Cub. Ranchero. 69 convertible. She's a beauty. 36 horse. Nice property. Today in Karmann Ghia hunting history. 2 1969 coupes. Down here in Virginia. She's a beauty. Well, the good news is he has 2 convertibles in addition to these 2 beauties. So we're going home with the convertibles, at the very least, that have been in storage for a long time. So yeah, they're rough. At least this one's got some extra parts in it. Well, that's it. I'm gonna go load up the convertibles. Till next time. Alright, now for the not so fun job of bringing these cars home that have been sitting. Cleaning out the interior. This one's actually not super bad. Looks like it has an original dash. Take care of that. Get all this gutted. It's got a good rear glass window. I haven't even really seen the top, so we'll get this cleaned out and keep going. We got the tar boards out and the rockers up in the cab here are in good shape, which is good. We got one little hole down in there on the firewall. A little guy checking things out. So we'll get the rest of this vacuumed out. Front floors are in good shape. Rear floors are gonna need some work, but overall, kind of happy with the interior. So let's get this thing vacuumed out and we can yeah, and then we can see where we're at with the rear floor and go from there. How's it going, Josh? What are you working on? Yeah. Not too tight. That looks good. You did a good job. Want to show everybody the hubcaps that we put on? Let's check out, show me the hubcaps. What do you have to be careful of when you do these? On the valve stem, right? Get it nice and centered. We got the VW logo straight up. Nice. It's looking good, Josh. Thumbs up. Alright, so we're cleaning the top. It's not coming out too bad. One little tear. We'll get to the other side and we'll keep going. Try to get the rear window put in. It's coming out. It's coming out. Pretty happy so far. Stay tuned. Alright, so next up we're gonna buff this bumper out. Can't really see how oxidized it is, but we'll see what we can do with this.
Here, Dad.
So this is Josh's first video. He's going to show you how nice the bumper came out. And if you've never heard of this product, Colonel Brassy, awesome cleaner. Hard to see what a difference it made. You can see some of the oxidation on the left, but it really does a fantastic job. You can hand rub it on. I used a buffer wheel on the bumper. Awesome product. Yeah, back up a little bit. We got our 5-year-old Josh here. We're out here working, cleaning this Karmann Ghia up. Just use some more Colonel Brassy. Looks like we're gonna have to get some.
And then we'll get it all clean.
Looks like we're gonna have to get some
More
quadruple zero steel wool on this one, Josh.
Yeah, and get some more Colonel Brassy.
Colonel, yeah.
I don't know how to say it.
You did all right. Let's back. I'm gonna lift you up. Maybe you can get a better look. Angle down. Yeah. Still
Yeah.
can't see with the sun.
All
All right, we'll try to get a better shot later.
Yep.
How's it going, Joshua?
Good.
Yeah.
Working good.
How's that chrome looking?
Good.
Yeah.
Getting the work done.
Getting the work done. And what are we using? Can't even see it here in the light. Colonel
Brass.
Brassy. Excellent, excellent chrome cleaner.
It's excellent chrome cleaner. We can use it every day.
Every day. And where did you say you could find it?
Any place.
Any place.
Amazon, anywhere.
Amazon. Alright, so we're out here having fun cleaning up this 1970 Karmann Ghia picked up in Virginia.
And it's really rusty.
Really rusty? It's not too bad.
Yeah, but still rusty.
And what did you say to me when I was out, had it on the trailer on the way home? You asked if we could what?
Probably might take the body off.
Take the body off? Down to the what?
Chassis.
Chassis.
Well, we might not do that, but we might. But I'm getting it done.
Getting it done. Gotta love hard-working 5-year-olds, folks.
Yep, gotta look it.
All right.
And if you have a tow hitch for Karmann Ghia.
All right, we'll get back to work on this thing.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I hope you enjoyed that little barn find Karmann Ghia down in Virginia. I'm going to get back to organizing some parts. I've been moving those shelves over from the garage down to this basement here, trying to organize all the parts that I've accumulated over these last few years. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Ghia. Look for that coming up here in the spring. I'm looking forward to driving that car, so we're going to be getting a motor in that. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for all those comments, likes. I really appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one. Take care, guys. How was that?
Cold.